Greetings, Witchy tip. So I just got some oil that a customer sent me. Art of Root, go check them out on Amazon. Now these oils can be applied to the skin, but check to make sure you're not allergic. Now, what can you do? Depending on the oil, if you're going to anoint a candle, this is the amount of oil that you need. That's it. Very important part right here. If you're bringing something to you, start from the top and bring down. If you're sending something out or banishing something, start from here and go up. Now another thing that you can do with that is put it on your hands, rub it together, and clap. It activates it. You can also mix these together to even have more powerful oils. Their Amazon also has a very detailed history of how the oils are made and what they're for, and how to use them. You can use it as a cologne, basically. I do. You can anoint necklaces and jewelry, sigils by activating them, add it to your incense, research, and you can anoint your house. Click the follow the heart if you want to know more.